Well, I've already added 2 teaspoons of aluminum-free baking powder and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. And to that, I'm going to add 1½ cups of flour. Another dry ingredient, just a pinch of salt, just a ½ teaspoon of salt. And blend all of these well with 1 cup of non-dairy milk. Add 1 teaspoon of a non-alcoholic or imitation vanilla. I'm going to use 3 tablespoons of raw honey. I also have another blueberry pancake recipe in my book, Whole Food, Soul Food, Finger Licking Way to Fight the Best Part. 1½ cup of fresh, juicy blueberries. We're gonna rinse them real well. Good source of fiber, source of vitamin C. Many people don't think of blueberries giving vitamin C, and also vitamin K. And vitamin K helps with blood clotting. I want you to add 1½ cups of fresh blueberries. Now, I want to add 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice, probably ½ of a squeezed lemon. 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice. And the last liquid ingredient is about a 1/4 cup of melted no trans fat margarine. Now I'm going to stir, but I'm not going to over stir, because if you over stir the batter, this pancake batter, it can get tough. And I like light, fluffy pancakes with that lemon juice, which is an acid, with the baking soda and the baking powder. It should help to make it fluffy. And bubbles, 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 bringing air into it should do that as well. Is to let the batter set for about 15 to 20 minutes, if you can. But about 15 to 20 minutes, let it kind of do its thing, fluff up, let those chemicals react. I'm trying to get up to 100 subscribers, so please help me out. Click subscribe so you can see my shows. I'm just counting the blueberries. You can't count them, and that's what I like. Plenty of fresh blueberries. Are a little firm, and I start seeing a few bubbles on the top, then that's when I'm going to flip it. Fluffy, and since I don't use eggs, I have to do other things to kind of make my pancakes rise and be fluffy. I like butter in my pan because I like the taste of the butter. Mine are going to get very brown. So they're not really burnt, but they're brown because of the butter and the heat is giving that browning reaction. So if you don't want them that brown, you could turn your heat down very low. Use a Teflon pan. Stack them. Put some nice old margarine on them. And the best part is top these pancakes with some 100% pure maple syrup. Well, I enjoy making them, but needless to say, I definitely enjoy eating them. Because I'll be doing a live stream soon, once a week, usually on Thursdays around 7 o'clock Central Time. So I'm Daz, I'm out, but I'll see you next show.